Star copies all. Go ahead. Message to observer. Alpha 3 rounds. AT delay in effect. 3 guns. Bravo 2 rounds. 2 guns. Smoke on effect.
Good morning, y'all. It is 7:45 Central Standard Time, 8:45 Eastern Time. This is Options Millionaire, your host. Great stuff. It is May 14, 2021, Friday morning. Got a lot of great stuff going. First of all, if you're new here, like this video, subscribe to the channel. We've got a huge influx of members overnight. 1,000 people have joined Reddit in under 12 hours. Thousands more about 500 more dumped into the Discord. A couple hundred people have joined the YouTube channel, so a lot of new people here. If you are new, subscribe to the channel. Got a lot of cool stuff coming out in the next month. That's not only going to change you now, but it's going to change you forever. It's going to teach you how to become a better trader, so you can be profitable for the rest of your life. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get into this. First of all, the OM prophecy has been fulfilled. It has been fulfilled. About when we were trading in the 415, 417 level, I was saying, and it's in my videos, we would hit 400 before we hit 420. Because the Fibonacci was here. 2, because volume was dying off. We had an RSI divergence. All the indicators are pointing we'd come back down. Now, I was a little wrong. Of course, I'm not going to take full credit for everything because I was a little wrong. We hit 422.85 before we came crashing down. So we did pop up a little bit, stretch the all-time highs just a little, and they came crashing down. All the way down. Now, the Fibonacci was at 403.41. We came down, my E-Trade printed 404. So we were off by about 60 cents. That's fine. I'll still call that filled. And now we're on the uptrend. We're gapped up a little bit this morning in pre-market action. Be careful of the gap because volume is still not coming in and backing this up. Until we get volume coming in, be wary of the gap. Be wary of holding calls overnight until we get volume to come in and take over. Having said that, that is what I wanted to say here. So we bounced off the fib. I believe we're going to go on. I believe we'll see all-time highs next week going forward, unless something changes. The pipeline scare is over with. I believe we've absorbed the inflation numbers from the news a couple of days ago because monetary policy still reigns king. That's what people don't realize here. The people are still saying they're still bearish. All over Twitter sphere, it's like we're still crashing down. Everything's coming down. They don't understand monetary policy. Monetary policy still reigns king. Jay Powell's printer is still in brrr mode. It's still printing. And until that machine shuts off, we're going to be bullish. So I am no longer bearish biased because we fulfilled the prophecy was coming down to the 400. Not to say that we won't come down anymore, but I'm still going to plan on this for going forward. However, always, I'm still not holding overnight. I'm still going to play calls and puts as needed. It's just my strategy going forward. So let's just go ahead and break down into the daily stuff here. I'm going to go to the daily 5-minute chart. Right here. We've gapped up right here. Huge volume right in these levels. It's 410, 4 levels. We hung out a lot in this range yesterday morning. And then, of course, we dipped down and beasted back up. This is where I got smoked on my play yesterday. I was up 8%. And then tech sold off and just absolutely destroyed my position. I elected to close that position. I don't want to hold and ride that out because I didn't know where that was going. It was a little too big of a question mark. So I sold it right about here. It dipped down and then, of course, raged. I could have made like 20 or 30% on that call if I would have held it, but obviously I did not. So I could do a better analytical video about that. I was confident in that position. It's just one of those things that goes against you. However, today we have gapped up. We are currently sitting at 412.73, and I'm going to be looking at 2 different levels, key levels. One is this 410.48 pivot because you've got a lot of volume right here, a lot of volume. If we come down here, I'm going to expect to bounce right off of that level. I can actually kind of hope we do come down and fulfill that gap. I will back my truck up, my beautiful, beautiful Toyota Tundra. I will back it up to this pivot, and I will load up the bed of that truck with some calls. And we'll pop it back up. If we come to this level, I'm going to be watching. I'll go long above this. I might go long before, depending on volume. But if we pop up in the early trading moments and pop this pivot to 413.40 under volume, I'll go long and take some calls here. So that's what I'm looking at today. Later on I'm gonna post in the Discord what the positions are, what the strikes and expirations are. But everyone knows the range I'm gonna be in. So once again, if you're new here, like this video. Subscribe to the channel. That's all I've got for today. Let's get ready. We got about 45 minutes till market open. Join the Discord if you haven't already. I'll post a link here on the profile. It should already be there though. Join the Discord. If you have any questions, post them in the applicable channels. Send me a DM. You can email me at optionsmillionaire2020@gmail.com. And of course, I've got an Instagram, options.millionaire, and I've also got a TikTok, which is just optionsmillionaire. So please subscribe to the channel so we can go forth and conquer, teach everyone not only just to make a single trade profitable, however, you can go on and create your own system and be profitable forever. So when you're 30 years old, you're eating caviar with a silver spoon on the back of your giant mansion with a beautiful woman or husband beside you, you'll think back, hey, I'm so glad I found Options Millionaire in 2021. It changed my life. So that's all I got. Y'all enjoy your day. Be profitable. Let's end this week strong, baby. 7:50, 40 minutes to market opens. Y'all take it easy.